My name is Greg Matterford. I've worked for SafeWork New South Wales for 24 years. Part of joining SafeWork New South Wales was to try to make workplaces safer, because the ones that I'd worked in as a maintenance fitter weren't what they should have been. I attended a fatality at a factory that makes brake linings for motor vehicles and for trains. A cleaner was cleaning out one of the mixers overnight, and he got down into the mixer and was chipping out the hardened product using a small pneumatic jackhammer. He hadn't turned the machine off. He just lifted the covers, which were interlocked, so that would stop the machine from operating. As he was jackhammering, the vibrations caused the doors to close and the machine started up, and he was trapped inside the machine, wrapped around the mixing blades, and he was killed. Still, I see machines that aren't guarded properly, and it's really frustrating. Any interaction with the machine has the potential to cause injury to a worker. It's people operating the machine, it's people setting up the machine, changing die sets and changing rollers. It's people loading and unloading the machine, and it's people maintaining the machine. The most common type of injuries we see would be lacerations, severe lacerations, crush injuries, amputations, or what we call degloving, which is where the skin of a person gets pulled off their skeleton. Most people get hurt on machines because they're trying to do the right thing by their employer. They're trying to get a few more widgets per minute going. They think if they take the guards off the machine that the machine will run better, it will run faster. If they get distracted at any stage, then the machine grabs them and they're gone.